we continue with our taking off calculation, okay, by using the dimension paper or the taking off sheet paper. So for this discussion class, okay, we will refer to this book, pengukuran kuantiti bangunan by Ahmad Abdullah and Khairuddin Abdul Rashid. Alright, for step number 4, okay, step number 4, so for all dimensional paper, basically the taker off need to write the description here, description, the dimension calculation, or what we call as the quantity calculation. We have this column for timesing, multiplying, and also the total quantity here. Okay, what is the total amount? But sometimes the taker off or estimator also put the description or the taker off work as an item, okay, as an item here. So this one is what we call just to give some information about the bringing to, removing from site all plant. This one is all about the plant that required for piling work. Okay, just we put as an item. Okay, the plant and also the maintaining on site all plant. Ditto. Okay, so ditto is the same as above. Okay, what is the statement that said as ditto here? So how we can read this ditto? Maintaining on site all plant. Okay, all plant. Okay, maintaining on site all plant, and then we continue with this. These are the ditto required for this section of the work. Ditto as the same as the above statement. Okay, so the ditto is from here, required until the work. Okay, required. So just to what we call simplify the description, we just put a ditto if our statement is the same with the previous statement. Okay, and then this example is based on the preform concrete pile. Preform concrete pile. Okay, so what you need to write is the size. Okay, the size of pile, what is the type of pile, reinforcement concrete, and also you need to make sure that what is the concrete cube strength, okay, at 28 day. Okay, so the engineers has been decided or stated in the specification of material. Okay, it was stated 45 Newton millimeter power 2. Okay, and also you can write the size, and this one is option number 1, alternative 1, alternative 2. You also can just put the brand of the form concrete pile. This one is from UCP production. Just put all the necessary name for this preform concrete pile production or manufacturing. Okay, so it depends to you as the estimator, but at the end all of the team can understand and also know about the type of the piles that you will use in the construction. Okay, so how we can start our work, take care of work. So these are the calculations need to be calculated by you as the estimator. So first thing, okay, this one is a preformed concrete pile. So you need to set, okay, the total. We need to get the total number of pile, and the total number of pile 6 meter long. So what is this pile? Okay, this pile is the initial pile. Okay, initial. The first pile will be driven into the ground. Okay, what is the size? 200 times 200. What is the head weight? 125 kilogram. And 200 mm times 200 mm. And you also need to put the size of the shoes. We have the initial pile, and also you need to complete with the my steel shoe. Okay, the my steel shoe. So for any taking off writing of descriptions, so please make sure we describe all the necessary items, okay, as per our taking off list. Taking off list is our checklist. Okay, so we're done with the description. So how we get this figure here, 7, 12, 4, 2, and 1. This one is basically from our type of pie cap. So what you can see here is the type of pie cap: P1, P2, P3, P4. So you also can put here P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Okay. So please make sure that for this taking off writing is special for initial pile. So for P1, basically if you want to make it clear, we time with 1. Okay, 1 meaning that we have 1 point here. Okay, we have 2 points, so you need 2 times. Okay, the slash symbols is equal to times symbols. So 1 point times 7. Okay, and then 2 point. Type 2, we have 2 point. And how many initial pile need to be constructed is 12. Okay, for P3, 4, P4 we have 4 point, and time with 2 initial pile. We have 5 point for P5. Okay, we have P5, we have how many pile here? So we can go back to our summary table. We have number of pie cap 1. Pie cap is 1. Number of pie cap we have 1, but we have 5 points. So this one is the number of piles. Pile cap. Number of pie cap. So every number of pie cap, you need to pi cap point, sorry. This one is a pi cap point. Okay, every pi cap point okay, this one is we check again, okay, to make sure our calculation is not wrong, right? So that one is the pi cap, the number of pi cap. Okay, this one is the number of pi cap. So sorry. Okay, so just want to make sure that our calculation or our understanding is same. Okay, then next, what is the total driven length? So given to you in the notes, technical notes, the total driven length is standard with a 14 meter depth. So every pi cap from P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, all of the pi cap depth is 14. Okay, so this one is the number of pile. So what is the number of point? Is 1 point and number of pi cap. Sorry, pi cap. Okay, right. This one is the total depth. Alright. So everything is same, and then okay, actually you can give a total numbers or the total length. Okay, so if we talk about length is in meter length, meter run. Yeah. So for the previous calculation, we also can put what is the total number of pi cap for each pi cap type. Okay, so this one is 1.2.34, and we have this one is okay. Also, we have 1 point. Okay, basically this one is we just have one type, one pi cap, one pi cap. Okay, so this type P5 we have only one single pi cap. Okay, so if you already understand, okay, because when we times with 1, it will equal as the same. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 1 also 7. Okay. Right. Right. Next is the we want to get the total number of pi extension. Okay, pi extension. So how many number of extension of pi? For every points, okay, every point we have 2 extension of pi. Okay, one is with the 6 meter long, okay, and then the second extension is 3 meter long, and then we have the initial here. Initial is 6 meter, right? Initial pi, and then we have shoot here. So we have 1, 2. Okay, equal to 2 number. What is 7 class? Okay, 7 is the number of pi cap 1. Okay, 12 pi cap 2, 4 pi cap 3. Okay, and then you also need to time with the point here. 1 point, 4 pi cap 1, 2 point, 3 point, 5 point. And then 4, 5 point here. Okay, it's the same. And then you can give the quantity, the total quantity at this. Okay, what is the quantity?